algebra, when you're talking about a term, we are talking about a letter, a number, and a letter, a number and a letter. So this makes what we are going to call a term. Okay, so I can have a term 2a and another term 5a. I add them together. Since they are the same, a and a, I'm going to say I can add them and say it is 7a. So we normally say that you add like terms together. So like terms, so for example, if I was to say that I have two apples and I have 3 bananas, I would represent this as 2a plus 3b. So I don't mix them up. I add the apples on this side and the bananas on their own, so that I have 2a plus 3b. So when you're working out algebra, you will always work with like terms together. Like terms together, okay? So A's together, B's together, and any other letter that you will be given. If I have 17c minus 5c plus 2c minus 4c, I'm going to say these are all like terms because they are all c's, okay? They are like terms. Now, we normally start with adding first. This like terms moves with its sign, with its addition sign, so that here there's also an addition sign. It's silent, so that I say 17c plus 2c minus 5c minus 4c. So 17 plus 2 is 19c. 19c minus 5c is 14c. Then I can say 14c, take away 4c is 10c. So my answer is 10c. So I'm able to mix this up because they are all c's. They are like terms. If I had, let's say 2a minus 21a plus 16a plus 13a minus 5a. So ordinarily we cannot subtract 21 from 2a. So that means we are going to arrange our sum another way, okay? So we are going to say we start with addition. Normally we start with addition. So you will say 2a, now 2a has a plus in front of it. So 2a plus 16a plus 13a, and then now you subtract minus 21a minus 5a, okay? So 2a plus 16a, that's 18a. 18a plus 13a is 31a. Now 31a, take away 21 is 10a. Now 10a, take away 5a, that's 5a. And your answer will be 5a. So always remember that we normally have a silent addition sign. If it was if there was supposed to be a minus here, the minus has to be written there, so it is not assumed. So the fact that there is no sign here, we say there is a plus here, okay? 2w minus 12w plus 9w plus 8w, okay? So here we will have to rearrange this because you can't have 2w take away 12w. So we will arrange 2w plus 9w plus 8w, and then finally we subtract 12w. So 2 plus 9, that is 11w, plus 8w, that is 19w. So from 19 we can subtract 12. 19w plus 12w, 7w. And our answer now is 7w. In algebra, we also multiply. So that you have brackets. For example, 4 into brackets 2b. So this 4 will have to be multiplied by 2b. So this means it is 4 times 2b. 4 times 2b is 8b. And that is our answer. If we had 2 into brackets 20x, we would multiply this by the term 20x. So 2 times 20 is 40x. Now, what if we had 2 into bracket 3x plus 4x? So 2 times 3, that is 6x, plus 2 times 4, that is 8x. So these are like terms. We can add 6 plus 8. That is 14x. Then we can have 8 into brackets 5x, take away 3x. So every term has to be multiplied by this 8. So 8 times 5x, that is 40x. And then 8 times 3x, that is 24x. Now I'm putting my minus because every number goes with its sign, mathematical sign. So now I can subtract because these are like terms, x and x. So what is 24? Take away, what is 40? Take away 24. This is 6. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So my answer is 16x. Now if I had a longer one, like 4 into brackets 4n plus 3n plus 7n, I would say this has to be multiplied by that. 4 times 4n. 4 again has to multiply 3n. And this 4 again has to multiply this term 7n. So 4 times 4 is 16n. 4 times 3, that is 12n. It goes with its sign. And then 4 times 7n is 28n. So we are adding all this. 16 plus 12, that's 28n plus 28n. So 28 plus 28 will give us 56n. Our answer should be 56n. So we can have 4s to bracket 4s plus 2s minus s plus 2s minus 5s. So again, 4 will multiply every term here. 4 will multiply 4s. So 4 times 4s is 16s. 4 times 2s is 8s. This is minus. 4 times s is 4s. This is plus. 4 times 2s is 8s. And then lastly, 4 times 5 is 20s. So we have a mixture of mathematical addition and subtraction, mathematical signs. So we are going to rearrange it and say 16s plus 8s plus 8s, this one, and then minus 4s, and then minus 20 lastly. So what is 16 plus 8? 24. So this is 24s plus 8. So that is 32s. So that is 32s minus 4s. 32 minus 4s. 28s. So 28s minus 20, that is 8s. So our answer should be 8s. So let's work this out. This one we have 13 to bracket 3p plus 2p minus p. every term will be multiplied. This is a term, 2p and minus p will be multiplied by 13. So 13 times 3p, that will be 39p, plus 13 times 2p, that is 26p. And then take away 13 times p, it's the same as saying 13 times 1, p is 13p. So 39 plus 26, this is 565. So this is 65p, take away 13p. So what is 65? Take away 13p. 5 take away 3 is 2, and 6 take away 1 is 5. We have 52p as our answer. That's our answer. Now the other one you can do is 9 into bracket 2b plus b, take away b. So again, 9 plus the term 2b is 18b, plus 9 times b is 9b, minus 9 times b, 9b. So 18 plus 9 is 27b, minus 9b, that is 18b, and that is our answer. So what you should always remember is that the number outside the bracket must multiply every term, okay? And then every term goes with its sign. So here you assume there is a plus sign unless otherwise. So this is plus 5x and this term is minus 3x. So that if you work it out, you will say 8 times 5, that's 40x. Take away 8 times 3, 24x. 6, 16x. And that is how we simplify algebraic expressions.